Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make ZVS, which is zero voltage switching circuit. So we have our N channel MOSFET and the second N channel MOSFET, guys. Then we have this copper here. We are going to use it as our inductor. I have two 1K resistor. As you can see, guys, this is 1K resistor. We are using 1K resistor. We have a capacitor which is 16 volts. Then the input. Then I have my switch here, guys. So guys, we want to make a powerful ZVS that we can use to power flyback transformer or Tesla coil or anything like high voltage. So we are going to build this now, guys. So I will show you everything how to build this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait.
So guys, as you can see, here is our gate and here is the second gate here. So we are connecting this one to 1K resistor, and we have our drain here. I've already connected it. So this will be our minus, which is the source. You know, we have GDS, which is gate, drain and source. So I will quickly make this connection right now, guys. So I will explain everything.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life.
So guys, as you can see, I've connected the gate to 1K resistor and the other gate here, gate leg, to another 1K resistor, and this is our wire. This will be our gate. Then this is the drain and our source. This is our source here, guys. This is the source and the second source of the N channel MOSFET like this. This will be our negative leg. The middle leg is our drain. Then the upper leg is the gate. So here is it, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is my gate with the first N channel MOSFET, and the second N channel MOSFET has the second resistor. So this is our gate at the second gate of the N channel MOSFET, and these two wires is for the drain, the middle pin here and the second middle pin here, guys. Then our source is our negative, the two wire here. This is our negative, which is the source. Remember I said we have gate, drain and source. So this gate, we have 1K resistor connected to it, and the second gate, another 1K resistor connected to it. Then the middle pin is our drain, and the second middle pin here is our drain as well, guys. Then the third leg here is our negative, which is the source. So I will quickly make everything right now, guys, so that we can understand. So guys, I've put my inductor here. Here is the copper, and here is our gate, and here is the drain. This is the drain wire here. Then the gate, as you can see, I've connected it to the 11K resistor from here. So like I said before, this is our positive, and I'm connecting this wire to this inductor here. So this will be our positive. This is the gate, and here is the drain. Then here is our source from the MOSFET. This is the source, negative, and here is the second leg of the MOSFET, which is the negative, which is the source. Then the capacitor, I will explain everything right now. So I will surely quickly do this right now, guys. So here is the positive wire, guys. I've connected it to the switch. So I will pass it down here, down the heatsink. So I will connect it here. So I've connected our positive to the inductor here, guys. So here is the output for the middle of the high voltage. Here will be the gate for the green wire, and here will be the drain for this color here, guys. So let's quickly do the remaining activities, guys. So guys, this is our input. Here is the capacitor. As you can see, I've connected it. This is the negative leg. I connected it here. So it was connected to the negative leg of the input. And here is our positive. As you can see, I've connected it to the switch, and it goes like this. So this is our positive here, guys. So I'll put a wire like this. So this is the negative, which is the source. This is the negative leg. Then the second negative leg is here, which is the source. Then the middle leg here is our drain, like I said before. So this is it here, and the second leg is here. This is the second leg, which is the drain. Then here is our gate. Then there is our another gate. Then it was connected to the 1K resistor, as you can see here, and it goes like this. So here's our drain. So this will be the positive, which is the middle. So I will soon put our high voltage transformer, flyback transformer here. So I've already completed this one right now, guys. So let me quickly make the remaining stuff. So guys, my ZVS has been completed. Our zero voltage switching circuit has been completed. As you can see, I've already attached flyback transformer to it, and here is our drain. Like I said before, here is the middle, which is the positive, and here is our gate, and this is it here. As you can see, here is the inductor, and here is the N-channel MOSFETs that we are using as our driver. So we are going to test it now, guys. Here is the input, which is 5 volts. We are using 5 volts input, guys. So I'm using 5 volts input for this project. So we are going to test it right now and see if this thing is working. But before that, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, our ZVS is working very fine. So we've already built it. So this is our ZVS. This is how to build zero voltage switching circuits. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Like, share and comment, guys. Thank you.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just